Let's take a quick look at the finished wallet folio that I created using Country Craft Creations Retro Min paper collection. This is a fishing wallet folio. So let me zoom out a little bit so that we can see all of the inside here. So here on the front I have one of the cut aparts with some buttons and some button twine. Just kind of give it some dimensions, some fussy cutting of the elements that come in the paper collection. I have a string closure where I've added an actual fishing lure with a jump ring. I did remove the hooks and the barbs on the bottom, so this just unwraps. And this is only about a 1/2 inch thick, 8 1/2 by 4 1/4. This flips open like this, so immediately you have a place for photos. These are tuck spots that I cut out of the paper elements here and here, the ephemera part. So we have photo mats for that. Here in the center we have this the pretty paper here. I'm going to leave this just the paper. You could add a photo here if you wanted to. This flips up. Nice spots for photos here where I left it plain. Flips down, and on the inside we have more stuff going on. I do have to slide it up and down. On the top we have a photo mat with photo corners, so you can just insert your photo. In the next section we have a little string closure here and a little flip up booklet for a couple of photos here and here. And I'm going to just tie that back up real quick so it'll close up nicely when I'm finished showing you. In the center here we have a flat pocket with a tag made out of the paper and black cardstock. On these two, on the mats, I did use a fine tip pin to do some squiggly lines to kind of make it look like fishing lines on these around the edges of this one and this one. So that's optional if you wanted to do that. Here we have some more photo corners for this mat, and this is in a tuck spot here. Then these flaps fold out, and I've left areas here for photos, and then each end does the same. It flips up here, and they're mirrored so that you have the piecing here and the green mats on each end. So it's a little long to show you. Let me see if I can zoom out just a little bit more and show you more of it all together. So that's how it looks opened up. So you just close it up, bring these in, fold this down, this up, and attached with a magnet right there. And then these two come in and we wrap it closed.